Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to tap on the connected devices, click on the advanced and tap on the printing. And here we have to use the default print service. It is searching for the printer, and as you can see it connects automatically to the HP Corolla JetPro printer that we can find in our office. And right now if you want to print something, we have to go for our file. So I'm going for the picture and we have to click right here. Okay, never mind, not here, here. And right now we have to tap to print. Right now tap here to select the printer, so I'm going for mine. And all we have to do right now is just to tap on this icon. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.